Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and create your account on Uphold app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, we're gonna simply type in UP, which is for the Uphold, and we're gonna find our app. Then we're gonna find this kind of interface. From over here, we're gonna tap on this option of sign up. And then afterwards, we're simply going to provide the details it will ask for, which includes the email address. Go ahead, add it up. And then we're going to add a password. Tap on next. We're going to add in the country. So as you can see, it's not matching our country criteria or citizenship because it is not simply available in my region yet. So for you, simply go ahead, provide the details, including your residence, country, your citizenship, everything, and then tap on this terms and condition. Tap on this log and tap on next for the further process, where you simply have to confirm some verification as well, and there you go. You will be able to create yourself account on Uphold, and that is it. So that's how you can do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.